What is Instagram and how does it work? Let's get in. Instagram is a social media platform owned by Meta that allows users to share photos, videos, and stories, engage with others through likes, comments, and messages, and discover content based on their interest. It's available as a mobile app on iOS and Android and can be accessed via desktop with limited functionality. Users can upload photos or videos to their profile. Photos can have filters, captions, hashtags, and location tags. Followers can like, comment, and share posts. Users can post Instagram stories for 24-hour temporary posts that disappear after 24 hours. It can include text, stickers, GIF, music, polls, and more. Users can see who viewed their story. Instagram Reels are short, engaging videos up to 90 seconds with music, effects, and filters. It is found under Reels tab and in the Explore section. Users can go live and interact with followers in real time. Live videos can be saved and shared later. Users can send private messages, photos, videos, and voice notes. Vanishing messages are also available. Instagram suggests posts, reels, and accounts based on your interest, great for discovering new trends, influencers, and brands. Users can buy products directly from Instagram. Businesses and influencers can promote products using Instagram shops and affiliate links. Instagram is a powerful platform for sharing moments, engaging with content, and even growing a business. Whether you are using it for fun, networking, or marketing, it's a great tool for connecting with the world. So that's a wrap for this guide. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.